Now let's talk about how you can record what you are watching on the iPhone. So let's just get into it. Now, a lot of people might want to just record and capture the thing that is going on their screen. And this is exactly what you can do. So no matter if you are inside of the Photos app and you want to capture some sort of video which you have in here, or it might be in some other app as well. Generally speaking, to capture your screen, you need to use the screen recording feature. In fact, I'm using it right now to show you and record this video. So I did this through a control center toggle, which you can see is currently activated. It is the screen recording toggle. And if you don't have it, just hold down somewhere and click on add a toggle and just bring it in here. You can see I can find it right away, but if not, use the search bar at the top to search for it. And then when you get in here, you can see that we have the toggle. We can even enlarge it, right? There was a little glitch, but it usually works. And this is the toggle that you can turn on and enable it like that. You even get to pick where it gets saved. So for me, it is saved in the photos. You should keep in mind that it doesn't work with every app. Obviously, if you want to record something on Instagram or somewhere else, it might work, but it doesn't work for streaming services for obvious reasons. It's not like you can record a whole episode of something. It simply will not work and the recording will be black. So, you can use it for so many different apps and like showing your phone around or whatever your purpose is, but it's kind of limited to these, not licensed services. So let me know below in the comments if it helped, if you managed to get it to work. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and most definitely hit the thumbs up on the video if you liked it. Subscribe, as I said, and I'll see you in the future.